Welcome to Wi-Fi Money, where our mission is to help you increase and diversify your income online. Make sure you hit that like button if you gain any value, subscribe for more money-making tips, and tap that notification bell so you're first to each and every new money-making opportunity. Please feel free to check out our website, letsmakewifimoney.com, to get updates on money-making opportunities before they go live on our channel. We also have some awesome Wi-Fi Money merchandise if you need some new threads. Also linked below are all of our favorite software and programs used to make this channel possible, including SEO ranking tools, YouTube course, editing software, and best of all, the program we actually use to make these videos possible. Without a further ado, let's get into it. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make passive income online. Today, we have compiled all of our favorite sites that provide the best product for your customer, highest payouts, and the most reputable companies. Now, Amazon Associates is obviously everyone's number one pick and covers any and every niche, so we will actually leave that out of today's list, but it is also a very good option. The only issue is that it pays less than 5% commission on already cheap products. Moving on, these are not sketchy, random sites with wild, scammy payouts. These are all well-known, name brand, honest, reputable, and established organizations that provide a real return on your promotions. Whether you're looking to generate passive income via affiliate marketing through your already existing traffic or starting from cold conversions using advertising mediums like Google or Facebook ads, there is something in this list to bring everyone involved in any niche some healthy profits. We love the affiliate marketing business model because here at Wi-Fi Money, we personally make recurring passive income commissions using all of these programs ourselves. And at the top of our list, and probably our favorite, is Bluehost. Now, Bluehost is a web hosting provider used to create blogs. We here at Wi-Fi Money actually use Bluehost to power our website. It is the best, cheapest, and most user-friendly on the market. Your customers will love this service, and the best part is it only costs your customer $2.75 a month, but you receive up to $110 per conversion, and it only costs your customer $2.75 a month. It's insane. Now, we personally use this every single day, and it's the most well-known web hosting platform on the planet. Chances are your target market has already had a certain trust built with Bluehost, creating higher conversions. And what's also cool is that this applies to any niche because you can start a blog no matter your passion. This offers unlimited marketing opportunity and you are only limited by your imagination. Moving on, Printful is free to use and is a print-on-demand clothing brand service that integrates into popular sites like Wix and Shopify. Printful is cool because it's one of the rare affiliate products that requires $0 from your customer but can return you hundreds. Now, here is how it works. When using Printful, you only have to spend money once you've made money. Your customer places an order in your store. Printful then reviews that order automatically, then immediately prints the order, packs the order with your branding, and ships it directly to your customer. The only thing you actually have to do is check your profit and continue your marketing. So here is why we love Printful. Offers 10% of the gross sales your affiliate generates, 100% free for your customer to sign up, and they only have to spend money once they have made money as it is a print-on-demand service. Usually, when they make their first designs, their mom, dad, grandma, best friends, etc. buy it, earning you immediate sales. And if someone does find success, you get to skim off the top. But the best part is, it's not coming out of their pockets, as Printful itself is the one paying you the commission as a thank you. Now, moving on, we have Adobe, what we use to power this entire channel. Now, Adobe is the leading content creation software. Adobe offers video editing with Premiere Pro, photo editing with Photoshop and Lightroom, Illustrator for graphic design, and much more. Now, what we love about this affiliate program is it has very broad niches. You can do photography, video editing, graphic design, etc. Also, the commissions are generous but all over the place, so click the link in our description to check it out. It's a subscription-based service, so you actually make recurring passive income, and it is the most dominant force in online media creation, so it already has massive trust behind it. Next, we have Thinkific. Thinkific is essentially a site where you can create and sell your own customized online course program. Now, here's a little secret. The best way to make money online is teaching people how to make money online, but second is teaching people something. So you have a skill you want to learn? You can get started for free. You get 30% recurring sales on whatever plan they pick, but nothing for the free version. You can't even pick your domain for the free version, so I like the paid. Anyway, this business model is extremely lucrative. And so your prospect should have no problem covering the cost while still making a healthy profit. What we like is their plans can range anywhere from free all the way to $300 a month. So, I mean, it's a price for everybody. And it's also a digital product. So you get to keep 100% of the course sale, minus a small processing fee via PayPal and stuff. Last but certainly not least is Scribble. Now, Scribble is, in theory, similar to Thinkific in idea, but instead of creating a course, you can write your own ebook. This doesn't have to be educational. You can write short stories, kids' books, anything. Now, here is why we love their affiliate program. Commission is just about $40 and it costs your prospects $67 a month, so it is recurring commission. Ebooks are extremely profitable as you keep 100% of the sales, so again, paying shouldn't be an issue for your client's program. I actually found this affiliate program through ClickBank, so I am sure if you go through Scribble's website alone, you can make more of a commission without the middleman, but I know for sure ClickBank offers at least $38 per conversion on ClickBank. Now, these are all of our favorite affiliate marketing programs. Lots of these provide a big return on your investment while costing your customer not much money at all. You're both going to get a good deal, and the fact that all of these sites are extremely reputable and industry leaders, I mean, your conversion rates will be much higher, essentially meaning that your cost of advertising will be much lower. Anyway, folks, that is all for today. You can find the link to all of these services linked down below so you can check them out, try them out, or even take advantage of these great services to start or expand your own business. Be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification bells so you don't miss a single money-making video. See you next week, folks.